So dear students, in first video I have explained you chapter number 3, 4. Now we will be revising chapter number 5, diseases. Right? Diseases are what? When we are feeling, when you are not feeling well, when we are feeling sick and we want the doctor to be advised through a prescription and doctor wants us to take rest, then it means he or she is suffering from a disease. Right? Two types of diseases are there: communicable and non-communicable. Communicable, it is clear from the name, that can communicate, that can spread from one person to another person, and non-communicable, which do not spread from one person to another. So communicable diseases, they are caused by germs. That's why they spread, because germs travel from a sick person to healthy person. But non-communicable, they can occur due to some various reasons, such as if you are not eating healthy diet, bad habits like smoking and pollution. So that's why. So here we will talk about the different types of diseases. Deficiency diseases means lack of nutrients. You know that our body needs certain types of food, and they are called nutrients. Nutrients, they help our body to maintain body maintenance. And nutrients, what nutrients we need: carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals. So balanced diet should have the right amount of nutrients, and the lack of nutrients in the diet, they leads to nutritional deficiency disease. Deficiency means beta lack, shortage of the nutrients. So deficiency, here we will discuss about the problems caused by the deficiency of certain nutrients. Deficiency of carbohydrates, fats and proteins. Carbohydrates and fats, they give us energy. We get carbohydrates from cereals, potatoes, fruits and sweet things. And we get fat from oil, butter, ghee and nuts. Proteins are needed for growth and repair, and we get them from pulses, milk, milk products, eggs, meat and fish. And people do not get enough to eat, becomes so thin that you can see the bones. This is because the stored fat in their body is already used up to give energy, and you are not taking more nutrients, and now your body, you are so thin. And some children, they do not grow properly because they have lack of nutrients. Their stomach becomes swollen. Older children and adults have patchy skin and discolored hair. Now deficiency, vitamin A deficiency. The body needs many types of vitamins named A, B and C and so on. Let us begin with vitamin A. Vitamin A is good for eyes. We get it from yellow and orange fruits, vegetables, leafy vegetables, milk, butter and eggs. But lack of vitamin A, if there is lack of vitamin A, it causes night blindness. People with night blindness cannot see well in dim light. Vitamin B, that is needed for proper functioning of our body. How do we get? From pulses, cereals, milk, meat, nuts, eggs and fish. If lack of vitamin B is there, then one disease named beriberi, a serious disease of the nerves and muscles. Other problems related to vitamin B deficiency are scaly skin and sores in the mouth. Vitamin C deficiency, it protects from diseases: orange, lemon, guava, tomato, pineapple, amla and many other fruits have vitamin C. And lack of vitamin C can cause scurvy, in which the gums bleed, the teeth become wobbly and joint ache. Vitamin D and calcium. Sunlight is a good source of vitamin D. Calcium is a mineral. Vitamin D and calcium, they are both needed for strong bones and teeth. Calcium also keeps the heart healthy. And milk, milk products, eggs and some green vegetables also. And lack of vitamin D, bones and teeth weak. Children can also get rickets. Rickets is the name of disease in which bones of the legs get bent because they are weak. Next is iron deficiency. Iron is a mineral that body needs to make blood. Leafy vegetables, cereals, meat and eggs are rich in iron. An iron deficiency can lead to anemia, a disease in which people feel tired and weak. Iodine deficiency, it is a mineral that keeps the body healthy. spinax, seafood, and iodized salt have iodine, and lack of iodine can lead to a goiter disease. How diseases spread? Communicable diseases are caused by different types of microorganisms like bacteria. They can enter the body with air, food, and water. They can also spread through insects and through touch. So here different types are there how the disease spread. Diseases can spread through air. The germs of diseases like common cold, flu, measles, chickenpox, and tuberculosis, they are carried by air. And when a person suffering from one of these diseases coughs or sneezes, the germs come out of the mouth or nose and they float in the air and enter a healthy person through mouth or nose. In the same way, diseases can spread through food and water. All of you know that through food and water diseases can spread. Suppose when people bath and wash clothes in the rivers and ponds, the germs from their bodies and clothes, they pollute the water. Right? Rain also washes off germs into water bodies. When people use that polluted water for drinking or cooking, they get various diseases. And diseases can spread through mosquitoes also. Mosquitoes spread diseases like malaria and dengue. Right? So female mosquitoes spread these diseases because only female mosquitoes suck blood. Male mosquitoes generally they have plant juices. So in this way, diseases can spread through mosquitoes, through contact. When a sick person comes into contact with a healthy person, and we can say that contact with the things used by the person who has the disease, these things could be doorknobs, coins, utensils, handles and railings, etc. How to prevent? To prevent something means to stop it from happening. Some things are there. We must always be careful about food and drinking water. Drinking water must be boiled or purified. Food must be stored in clean covered utensils and we must not eat uncovered food. Using a handkerchief while sneezing and coughing. Keeping our surrounding clean. Mosquitoes lay their eggs in stagnant water, so must clean coolers regularly. Next is vaccination. How we are protecting ourselves from different types of diseases through vaccines. Vaccines are what? They are injections or medicines which protect us from the germs of certain diseases. Like polio given to babies protect us from a disease throughout life. So different types of vaccines are there which protect ourselves by putting a resistance in the body to fight with that particular disease. So dear students, this is chapter number 5, diseases. You have to learn back exercise, question answer of chapter 4 and 5. I will be taking the test of chapter 4 and 5, consolidate. Right? Thank you. God bless you.